For this video, I'm going to take you on a quick tour of the Cultus Lake Adventure Park, located in British Columbia, Canada. I'm in British Columbia, and I'm checking out this cool little amusement park known as Cultus Lake. This is a really small park, and what's interesting about it is it's set up almost like a family entertainment center. There's no actual gate admission. You'll notice how I just kind of walk through the front gate because this is set up more like a fun spot for people in America, where you kind of pay for individual rides, and you can get a wristband. And either way, whichever way you go, everything's pretty cheap up here because of the exchange rate. So I had a great time while I was here because I was just amazed that I think I spent maybe $20 the whole day. They're mostly known for the mini golf course, and the mini golf course is pretty epic. They've got about 11 rides, and that includes 2 roller coasters, so this place is pretty neat. You know, the theming is really cool, and it's set in these really tall trees. It's just a very pretty park, and it was only built like I think 5 years ago, so it's relatively new, and everything's just clean and pretty. So despite it being a modest size, I had a great time, coming up here and seeing it for myself. And it really is kind of neat how they stacked all the rides on top of each other. The only other park that I feel like this reminds me of is Knott's Berry Farm, because Knott's Berry Farm has kind of a limited amount of space, and they've just been kind of building roller coasters on top of roller coasters, and a lot of them are intertwined, and that's the vibe you get here. The Runaway Mine Train kind of wraps around a couple of the other rides, it kind of goes over on top of the spinning coaster, and it's just a really cool park how they kind of crammed it all together. And the other neat thing about Cultus Lake is there's a water park next door, and they're trying to be like a big destination. I think they've been advertising this place as the Cultus Lake destination by kind of putting the water park and the adventure park under the same umbrella. So my bottom line is pretty straightforward. This park is mostly intended for little kids. According to the website, they have 11 major rides, but 18 total rides, so they've got a little section of just the little kiddie rides that are the junior things that they don't kind of use in the marketing. Like I said, some websites, they talk about the 11 rides, and then with the little kiddie rides, it's a total of 18, so this is not a big park. The bottom line is, if you have toddlers, or I guess a Legoland type of age kid, up to about 12 years old, this place is amazing. If they're older than 12, there's not a lot of thrill rides. I mean, the most intense ride they've got for teenagers is the drop tower, and I mean, it just drops you. I mean, there's not a lot to it, and if you've got teenagers that are looking for big thrills, this is not the park for you. But if you got kids that are under 12, this place is probably like a little Disneyland in British Columbia for them. Thanks for watching this episode of The Adventure Shmup. If you enjoyed today's video, don't forget to like and subscribe. See everyone next week.